Hello esteemed colleagues, in this instructional video we'll review general purpose and functions of the stock and purchase module of the WAYL system, and also we'll review interface of this module. Stock and purchase module is one of the main modules in WAYL system and has straight connection with other modules. However, like every other module, it can be used as a standalone. Its main purpose is to show items in stock of the vessel or office, calculate costs related to stock, delivery, suppliers, etc. Create orders from vessel to office and proceed them, and also review supplier information. However, stock and purchase is a single module. It consists of two parts. We'll start from the stock part. You can access stock either from main page or from the left side menu. Stock part consists of stock, stock journal, and operating cost subcategories, also the stock catalog. Stocks shows you warehouse either on vessel or office. Interface looks like plant maintenance module, but still there is difference. Left side represents categories of items and can be identical to plant maintenance module or can be different. Customer can decide this upon creation of the category to display it in both modules or just a single one. Center of the page is representing list of items depending on selected category. Also, it has options to consume or order items. Top side has different filtering options. You can search items using search bar or filter them using checkboxes. Buttons on the top right side allows you to add new items to stock, review requests from vessels, or print list of items. Next subcategory is the stock journal, and it represents every action that has been done with stock items through purchasing section. For example, if item has been delivered or consumed. In the same manner, you can view items by categories using left side category section, and also you can search items using search bar and filter records by date. On top right side of the screen, you will find checkboxes for additional filtering and buttons to export list an Excel sheet or print. Operating cost section is used to show additional expenses, such as delivery fee or taxes, for example. Information is being taken from purchasing module. As in previous sections, you can use search bar, filtering by date, and in addition you can show zero values. WAYL system has an option to create one main catalog. It can be done on stock catalog section. The main idea is that office employees can create a catalog of items based on company needs and use it for further implementation on ships or other offices. For example, every ship, when implementing software, responsible person can just take categories and items from main office catalog and use them in their stock. Also, one more important thing is that office can control this catalog on all ships and offices at the same time, meaning if changes have been made in main catalog, the same changes will be applied to all others, ensuring that every vessel or office will use the same position, numbers, and description. Next part of the stock and purchase module is purchasing. First section is vessel orders. As you can understand from the name of this section, it represents every order created for vessel and allows to proceed further with the order or reject it. View attachments, leave comments, etc. Please pay attention that depending on account type, interface may differ. We'll review it in upcoming video tutorials. The left side represents list of orders and allows filter them by order status. In left bottom corner you can create new order. The middle represents information depending on selected order and allows to perform various actions with order. Journal section represents every action that have been made in order. For example, change of status, adding comment or attachment, etc. Upon selecting of record and journal, you can view details of the order and print them if necessary. Next section is called Suppliers and contains information about your suppliers like registry number, bank details, attachments, contact details, etc. Left section contains list of suppliers and middle window contains all details. Suppliers can be found also using search bar and assign groups. On the right top side you can find Save button and Add Supplier button. Last section will appear in the list only for queue members or office employees who have permissions to approve reception of goods, and it's called Confirm Receipt Warehouse Order. Left side represents a list of orders to be received. If you will select order, then in the middle of the screen it will be available to upload delivery documents and confirm reception of the order. This is final stage of the order. I hope this information has been helpful. Thanks for watching.